Perfumes.
Hello guys, so welcome to Norah Perfumes, this Aura, and I will show you today how to make your own skincare with essential oil. You can see here, and my beautiful and selection of Indian attar. So I just noticed that a lot of people nowadays think attar is only for beautiful smell. But there are a lot of hidden benefits. For example, you can use for skincare, you can use for healing, holistic, aphrodisiac, on different purposes. Of course, the smell of attar is like grandiose. So just to smell one rose or a little bit blue lotus, you will be like in ecstasy. Let's go now. I will show you with different essential oil. Rose de muscat, you can see it. Geranium from Egypt. Cistus, very beautiful for skin. Palmarosa and lavender aspic. So with all my essential oils, I will mix with some of my beautiful Indian perfume from Kanoj. It will be oui, very nice for skin, very nice for wrinkles, especially that, and it's blend with sandalwood. Sandalwood, if you do your own research, is very good for skin. You got two blue lotus. Voilà, you can see it. Chamonix, like dewy, the same advantages. And the smell is wow, wonderful. The rose, very expensive one. Blend too with sandalwood inside, that we will use today. And meaty, exceptional one, especially for oily skin and to get a very nice texture on the skin. So we will use 10 ml of this bottle, and I will integrate some drop. And we will start with first in essential oil. So now we will take first Geranium of Rosa. We will put approximately 20 drops inside, little bit less if you don't have very big bottle. We will take Cistus. Essential oil. Next, now is Palmarosa. We will put 40 drops inside. Drops of lavender aspic. So guys, now my blend of all essential oils is gone. Now you can see, voila, very beautiful colors, orange. Very between orange and yellow, but so nice. So now we will add, my selection today is rose, You can see where it is here. Wow, voila. My perfume, Rose Absolute, mixed with Santa Rouge. Meaty. This one. You can, with the skin, is so beautiful. The smell is nice, smell of earth. Very, how we can say, the first drop of rain. Now I will add some drops of Rose Absolute. You can smell it. So for the last step, we will add meaty attar. Perfect. So I just select meaty on Rose Absolute to make this serum, but you can select your own choice like Blue Lotus, Chameli, and Dewy. On Bakur I got another collection of attar, and it's very benefit for the skin. I will let for maybe 1 day to blend perfectly, and I will use on my skin. So just few drops on your skin, and after you put your cream like usual. Now you can see how my blend is done. So just advise you to let 1 day to get more results. So I just want to specify all my attar are very natural and pure. There are no chemical, no alcohol or synthetic, so you can use on any skin. So you can find all these products, all these attar on my website www.norah.com. Please like and follow us on Facebook page and Instagram page to get more updates. Thank you very much for your watching my video. I hope my video will help you to give some idea on how you can make your own wrinkles serum. Very beneficial. So see you next time for the next videos. Bye bye.